evening and welcome to my channel. Thanks very much for being here. I'm just doing a quick flip through of a blank journal with an ephemera holder. Now, I have done a video on this ephemera holder using the Paperama Moon Herb kit. I will link it in the description below, and I used an old vintage book for it. But I've also just quickly done a blank journal to go with it. So it's a package that's very nice if you've just got someone who wants a journal and can decorate it themselves then. As I say, I've just used the Moon Herb kit and I've put other different papers into it. So some vintage book page, some craft kind of wrapping paper, more digitals, tea dye paper, a vintage flower book page, digital, tea dyed paper and doily, and then some more vintage book page there, and some vintage graph paper that I've actually got a pad of that's automatically sort of darker, piece of ledger paper, digital, tea-dyed line paper and tea-dyed plain paper, and then in the middle is a spread like that. And I've not done anything with this, so there's ample string there if you wanted to do a dangle, and then obviously all in reverse this way, and it's got lovely crunchy papers in, as you can hear. And what I've done, I've used up pieces of paper and book page that I have sitting in a box that's just pages to go in it. So this is here just for you to decorate yourselves. Now, it'll be available in my Etsy shop over the weekend. This is just a bonus video that I'm putting out on a Friday. So you can see what these are, just small videos that I do just every so often. And then this is the ephemera holder, and these are lovely. I did enjoy making these. I might make some blank ones for people to get as well. And in here, a tag, a little notebook with just some plain paper, and I've put stickers in it as well, a pocket, and a piece of a diary sheet with the herbs time. And if you want to see how I put this together, there is a video on it as well. And again, this side, it'd be roughly the same. A journal card that I've stamped on, tool tag here, small journal card, a pocket there, and then an envelope. And I have got a few pieces left over from the kit I've put in here for people to use themselves. And then this opens up like this. And here we've got a big journal card and a pocket that can go on a page like that. So you can create another pocket or another side pocket either side. And in the middle here is I'll take this off but put it back together after, is just a couple of journal cards in a little notelet book you can use, and a pocket here, pocket tag with some tags in, and that's just a small tag. And then, sorry, I thought that was a journal card. It isn't. It's the back I've decorated with. As I say, I'll give you the chance to have a look at the video. I'll link it below. And then very similar here, I've got a small journal card, another large journal card, a little piece booklet again that you can write in with some of the digital that I've cut out, another one of these tag pockets here, and then a little flip. There is a video of how I made these as well, a little notebook flip in there, and that goes back in. So there's quite a bit of ephemera in here. And then here again, a large journal card on some actually I think this might be on some of the Tim Holtz paper card. And then one of these pockets again that you can put into the journal. So that is just a quick video of my Moon Herb blank journal with ephemera holder. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, notification bell and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Thank you. Bye.